Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you some amazing and stylish Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas, friends. So let's start today video, friends. Cozy glow. If you want a centerpiece that instantly fills your home with warmth, try this cozy Christmas glow idea. Start with a wooden tray, add soft fairy lights, and place your favorite candle right in the center, around them with mini pincones, snow branches, and just a touch of red berries. It's a simple, elegant spring that magical holiday glow. 20 tables, a little spark, a little nature, and a whole lot of Christmas charm. Classic red and golden. This centerpiece brings back the classic Christmas elegance we all love. I am layering rich red ornaments with golden accent on a round vase. Adele's candles stand in the middle, creating high and drama. Add a few forest leaves and ribbon curl, and instantly your table turns into a festive masterpiece. It's bold, bright, and perfect for holiday dinners. Christmas centerpiece. Winter forest. Imagine bring a winter forest right into your home. For this centerpiece, I am using white branches, tiny wooden trees, and a soft snow dust on everything. A few silver ornaments and crystal beads add that icy spark. It's peaceful, minimal, and perfect for anyone who loves a clean winter. A centerpiece that feels like a quiet snowfall. Candlelight magic. This centerpiece is all about candles magic. I am placing different size candles on a mirror base so the lights reflect beautifully. I am adding ornaments, pins, needles, and spark beads around the edges. When the candles glow, the whole room glowing, elegant, romantic, and perfect for Christmas night. And viewers, and gifts box style. Have fun and twist on centerpiece. This one looks just like a Christmas gift. Start with the decorative box, fill it with lights, and add fancy cream spelling out like surprise. Decorative place ornament, ribbon, and candy canes on top. It's playful, cute to get compliment. Viewers, I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates of